Veggie meat combo.
I'm getting so many clothes, guys. Guys, I found the most cutest little magnets. Dude, they're literal pasta bags. Oh my god. And there's an Aperol and a Campari and then little spaghettis. So cute. I don't know which one I want. I think I want this one. What do you think?
I like the shells.
Yeah, this one's cute. I wonder if I can actually eat them.
Okay, now 15 cents.
I always feel so claustrophobic on planes. Bro, this plane is like mega empty. Like, where is everyone? Hi guys, we're currently on the plane to Rome, Italy. We'll be touching down in like less than 30 minutes-ish, right?
Yeah, that's
My first time in Rome. In the lobby. Okay. Oopsies. Oh. Okay, it's in our room. Home sweet home. Lights. Whoa. Whoa. Wee. Okay. Random sink in the hallway. Hey there. Bathroom. Ouch! Oh my god. Be careful here. Damn! Are these the real bricks that they use in the Coliseum? Girl, are you okay? I don't know why, but this entire trip, John has been having some issues with the doors and the locks. Good morning from day one in Roma Italiano. Yay! It is Sunday and we're spending 2 days in Rome, today, tomorrow, and then like half of the next day. But honestly, I don't know if we're gonna do anything the last day. Maybe just go to the airport early. But anyway, I'm all ready to go and John's all ready to go. He's planning some things. I don't know what he's doing. But anyway, this is the outfit. Tank top, John's pants, and John's shirt. And today's plan, we're gonna go to the flea market. Hopefully we can snag some goodies, some secondhand goodies, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. But first, of course, we gotta get coffee because a day in Italy is never complete without starting it with a cappuccino. A cappuccino. A cappuccino. Anyway, I'll see you at the cafe. Hey, do a twirl. Do a dance, do a twirl. Dun, 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 dun,
Where are we eating?
Right here.
Right here. Santiago.
Just always in awe with the cappuccino. I got a classic omelet, came with toast and salad. We got 2 cappuccini and this maritozzo. I haven't had this before yet. And then John got the same thing, but his omelet is ham and cheese.
This is a great omelet.
We made it to the flea. Everyone's already here getting all their stuff. We're late. €5? €5 bin? Oh my god. There's just so much stuff here. These are so cute. But they don't have like the strap. Wait, it's not big.
Wait, it looks good.
But it's not going over my head at all.
Oh, it's not.
No. These are the picks. They're all 1 year of age. Yay. This is what I had to search through. I feel like I'm being watched.
I don't really like it.
I'm getting so many clothes, guys. We need to get another luggage at this point. What you got there?
Meat sticks.
Arrosticini. Okay, one for you, one for me.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Holy moly.
This is actually really good. We just finished the flea market, so we're gonna go back and try to find a restaurant somewhere. Because it's hungry time. It's time to eat.
I'm starving.
It's 2:15. We're always waiting for our meals. Okay, for lunch, we ate at Nanarella, which was a really popular spot here in the Trastevere neighborhood. We ordered the calamari for appetizer, and I think this was the best thing on the menu, like hands down. Yummy. It was so good and it was fried so well. Like, I don't even know if it was fresh, but I don't care because it was really good. Anyway, for our mains, we wanted to order a traditional Roman pasta. So we got the amatriciana and then also the gricia pasta. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Anyway, if I'm being honest, I honestly didn't really like either of them. And I'm not sure if it was a restaurant that we went to. I don't know, like it was possibly giving tourist trap, or it could just be like I'm not a fan of the dish in general. I don't know. But anyway, on to the dessert. We ordered tiramisu, of course. And bro, why was it liquid? Like, tell me why was it liquid?
Why is it so liquidy?
Is this tiramisu?
Okay, so we just finished lunch. The tiramisu was like, it was good, but it wasn't, how do you say, like satisfying, that like creamy that I want right now, or like that I was expecting from the tiramisu. So we're gonna go get some gelato. Gelato. What are we getting?
Lemon sorbet.
Uh-huh.
Of course.
Uh-huh.
Limone.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Mango and lemon. All right, trying the lemon. I mean, trying the mango. Ooh, cheers. Yeah, wait, that just, it's a little sweet,
Really?
but it's good. Let's try the lemon. Ooh. It's sour. A little bitter too.
Bitter.
Like they over squeeze the lemon a little bit maybe. But I think together, bitter, sour, sweet. Good, so good. It's like mango lemonade.
Alright, we're gonna start with the lemon first. Yeah, it's very strong, but it's really good.
It's straight up lemon.
Like it tastes like they just squeezed.
Girl.
Oh wow. Oh wow. I feel like I'm in like Brazil or what? I don't know where mangoes come from. So we need to hit the grocery store because we don't have water. And then look at this tiramisu line. That means it's good.
It's crazy.
But then what's going on over here? The mercat.
Okay. Today is a very much shopping and eating day. This is what they do for us?
Huh?
Guys, they have Dubai chocolate. It's only $7.90. Bro. Hey, you're coming home with me. So many options. What do I choose? I'm looking for a truffle, perhaps. No truffle anywhere. Do you see truffle? I don't like these, like, they're not like down with the chips. I feel like, wait, what is this? Dude, Svogli. Gonna get dinner. Picking up dinner.
Because we need to wake up early tomorrow.
We got our pizzas. We got our pizza. Okay, grand reveal.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Yeah, what is that?
I forgot that they don't cut it. Bruh.
Yeah, I'll rip it.
We're just gonna have to like bite it.
Spicy. Guys, I forgot that they don't cut the pizza. So I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. Oh, the courgette looks really good.
Yeah, mine looks fire. White sauce.
Dawn loves white sauce.
White sauce pizza with zucchini flour. Don't know how those are gonna taste. Never had those. But then sausage, you know? So a little veggie meat combo. White sauce though. Coke Zero. Life is good.
Okay, let's just eat it. I'm just gonna use my hand. Or should I just rip it? This is so criminal. Good. This Roman style pizza is so much more different than the Sicilian style pizza because it's like thinner crust. The Sicilian style is like a thicker, chewy crust. This is like thin and crunchy. Wait. This is perfect. Every time I get pizza, I'm always like, it's just too cheesy. I just love the tomato part. Now it's all tomato. Can I try yours?
I'm eating it folded up.
John got all this. Can I open it? No. Not on my new pan. This is so poo. It's okay. You can wash it inside. Anyway, take 2. I'm gonna eat it over here. Wait. Usually I don't like sausage. This is good sausage. Holy. Ooh. Wait. That's really good. Fire. Okay, guys, we just finished our dinner. And now we're gonna go find some dessert, of course. None other than tiramisu, because that one from lunch today was a little bit odd.
It was massively disappointing.
Yeah, so we need a redemption tiramisu.
Tenho esse mar todo, todo pra olhar. Tenho as estrelas infinitas pra contar.
Okay guys, I just got my tiramisu, but I'm just a little concerned because I always learned that you have to set tiramisu, and she was making it. It looks a little liquidy, but it's definitely better than the one that we had at lunch today because that one was like hella liquidy. I don't know. But John also got a tiramisu too from a different place. And hello. Bro, what is that? Wait, okay. Okay, bro. How hard? Okay, honestly, how hard is it to get freaking tiramisu in Rome? That's actually good. Okay guys, we are finally eating tiramisu. Took a shower, cleaned the body, took my makeup off. I didn't wash my hair, but that's fine. John's getting the cakes ready. Okay.
I don't know if I call these cakes.
Listen, I prefer my tiramisu like a cake, okay? Picture A. This is a cake, okay? This is what I like when it comes to tiramisu. And for some reason, the tiramisu that we've been having and that I've been seeing have been looking like soup? Smoothie? I don't know. But anyway, I don't know. It's giving not tiramisu. This is the other one. This was €5. How much was this, John?
8.
€8! First of all, €5 for this is crazy. But €8 for this? It does look kind of good though. Like the cream, it's giving, it looks like a zambiole, if I'm saying that correctly. But let's try the two. Okay. Dude, it's, oh, what in the hell is this? This is not tiramisu. What is that? What is that? What is the
Bro, it looks like poop, but it's white. Like liquidy poop. This is what we would call liquidy consistency.
Stop. Well, let's just try it. Okay,
Ooh, okay. Here we go. Cheers.
Why is your spoonful? Okay.
What are you talking about?
Guys, John's spoonfuls, like his taste tests are so lame. Like, look how big mine is. Like,
I'm just.
look how tiny that is.
What if it's not good?
You need to get a good piece.
This is a good piece.
Girl. No, get more. Get a little more. Yes. Yes. Get in there. Okay. You need to be in the camera. Can you? Yeah, get a little closer. Cheers.
Cheers. Nah, bro, this is trash. Trash. I only have enough bad though. Is it trash?
It's not that good. It's really not that great.
Yeah, it's bad.
It's not bad.
No, it's bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Let's try the next one.
I was just hating.
Okay, we're trying this one now. This low-key looks more promising now that it's low-key been sitting in the fridge for a bit. Go. Get a good piece.
Ooh,
All the way
here you
up.
go, here you go.
Okay. Oh, yours is liquidy on the top.
Cheers.
This is what it looks like. Alright, let's try. Cheers. I like the flavor more, but it's still liquidy. That's like a...
My thingy is soggy.
What thingy?
The lady finger?
Yeah, it's
Is this
supposed to be soggy. Yeah. Hey, this is pretty good. But it's not a traditional tiramisu. Like, it's hella liquidy. Oh, lady fingers are a little too soggy.
Right?
Yeah.
But they're like juicy for some reason. Alright.
Not good. Okay, good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I hope you guys have a better night than I do. It's good,
Alright.
it's good, it's good. It's all
Good
right.
night. Bye.